we're going to do this. Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes C-Class here on a 2013 plate. So I think it's a 204. Now we're replacing the rear tail light on this complete unit. As you can see, that one there is broken. So I taped it up temporary till I get a new one. So I had to order one in from Mercedes. I'll show you that in a minute. But we're replacing the whole unit. Now where this has got the LED indicators, hence that's where you can't just get the, I mean, it has to come complete, you know, with the whole thing. Now I've got the new one right here. It's in the box already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it right in front of you. So get it out, out. And if you've got something like this and you're wondering what's the part number and everything, I'll certainly show that to you just right there. So that's the part number right there as well. So if you are looking for one, you can get one. Now this is for the offside rear. So if you did want one, now look at this baby, that's brand new. Ooh, baby. Look at that. She's a beauty. Now, okay, now it's held by 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you got to take these screws out. Now you've got a plug that goes in there and a plug that goes in there. I'll show you this one here because it'll be quite awkward to see it there. So if you did want to take this cluster out, so what you do, you push this in, wiggle, wiggle, plug out, and then the whole thing comes out. Now you can replace the bulbs. Now these got 382 bulbs, all of them are 382. So you've got the reverse light, the tail light, the brake light, they're all 382. So I'm going to push this back in, it clips in, job done. That's all good. I'm going to just put this back here for the minute. And all you need is an 8mm socket. If you've got a ratchet, brilliant. If you haven't, then, you know, just get one. A spanner would be quite awkward. So take this out. I remove this as well. Now on the inside here, now the plug I meant was this one here. I don't need to take this one out because we're replacing the whole unit. So you, with the bottom one, you've got a clip on this side, you've got a clip on the other side. So you wiggle, wiggle. That's a bit tight. So I'm just gonna out. Alright, you can see there, right there, this has got, it's got a burnt wire on there as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some WD-40 in there. So when it goes into the new one, we'll make sure it's pretty good. I'm just going to take this out, as you can see right in there. So that's all burnt out. So I'm glad he's changing this. So you've got 1 screw, 2 screw, and the third one's right here. And the 4th one is going to be... where is the 4th one? So you got 1, 2, oh, right there as well, so you can see on the inside. So here. Now just be careful, you've got a fuse box here as well, so you don't want to really mess around in this area a lot. So just be extra careful when you're working. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this top one first because that's the most awkward one. So once it's loose, I then take it out. As you can see now here, so don't drop it. That's out. And then I'll do this one next because this is the next awkward one. Now that one there had a washer, so make sure, as you can see there, it's got a bigger washer on there. And if I take this one out, this has got no washer, it's just a head. And you can see the difference, right? So these one will go on the body itself, and that one was going to go on the side. So I'll now loosen this one, loosen this one. I love the sound of the ratchet. That sounds good. That sounds good. While you're watching this, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share it where possible. And we've got loads of other videos about Mercedes, so do check out the Mercedes playlist. Like the most common ones on the Mercedes now is the electric handbrake. We do have quite a few. Most of the C-classes and E-classes are the same. So if you did ever want to do a service brake on the rears, you can check the videos out. So now the moment of truth, let's take it out. So I'm going to pull it back, that's it, the whole thing comes out. As you can see now, that's the whole unit. So with the new one, what I'll do, I'll just put the new one in. So you've got to line it up in there. This bolt here, that needs to line up. So if I go in, and make sure it sort of comes in. Now the seal, make sure the seals are in there. They're there for a reason, because you don't want any water going inside, because that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to put this screw in first. Then I get the second and the third one.
I expect someone on the phone.
So we've got the second one in as well. So I'm going to get the maintenance spray as well. I'm going to get one of the guys to get the maintenance spray so we can spray the plug. Raj, can you get a maintenance spray please? Thank you. It says maintenance spray, WD-40, GT85. There were several names for it. Now that one gone in as well. So you see there, that's gone in. So it's nice and tight. Now all I do is I nip them up. I don't go too mad on it. Screw it into the stops. And then, as you can see, I'm not putting no pressure on the nut. That's it. Nip it up. Do the same on this side. Screw this in. Done. Do the same with the last one there. Second last one, sorry. Done. And the top one, the last one. I think that one there I might just screw it in by hand first, because it's an awkward position. That's it. I spray some GT85, they're also known as WD-40, so spray some in there. I mean, you can spray this on electric, so that shouldn't be a problem. Now we're just gonna plug it in. Job done. I'm just gonna try to take it out, make sure it just comes out nice and easy. Brilliant. Do that a couple of times. Brilliant. Again, just take it out and then push it back in. You'll hear a click. That's it. We're just gonna check to make sure it's working. I'm just gonna put the cover back on. Right, just hold this right here, and I'm gonna just switch the lights on. That's the position lamp on. We've got the brakes, that's working, and the most important one is the indicator. That's working as well. We're just going to see the fog lights right there. That's working as well. So all of them are working on this. You can now switch the ignition off. The lights will just turn off by itself. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. It is a Mercedes C-Class 2013 plate, so Mercedes 204 I think it is. And the part number is in the video, so if you did want the offside tail lamp on this, if you did want it, you can look at the number and then search for it on Google. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.